So previously, we cleaned up all these other cables that were in the front, attached them to here, put them in the back. Now, we have to manage this. So we're going to go on Amazon, look for a way to manage it. So what we have here is a Cable Matters patch panel. Let's open it up. It's like Christmas. All right. So here we have the patch panel. We're going to run the cables individually through these. Link is below in the description, another Amazon buy. So it did not come with any keystones. Keystones are to attach the cables in the front and in the back. So we gotta go order some of those. And we are waiting on another package for some cables. Okay. All right, I think this is going to be the right package. So this package should have the cables in it. Okay, and are these the keystones? So here we got the cables and the keystones. Let's get to work. Okay, so to install it, we're gonna push it in from this direction. Now you have to do that 24 more times. So now we're gonna plug the cables in. Clip one on one side, the other on the other side. And then here is where we tie it down so there's not a lot of weight on the cable. And you did it. So it's same easy install as the power supply. Just gonna screw it in here. Now that's all that's left to do is plug in the wires and clean her up. Alright, so we are going to need to get a rack switch. Obviously some shorter cables to clean this up a bit more, but here's our finished project. I messed up. Again. Okay, so, wait, hold on. I forgot what I was going to say.
You got mail.
I got mail. All right, so our cables are in. I don't think these are cables.